This video will guide you through your first use of DJI Action 2. Open the DJI Action 2 dual screen combo box. Then take out the camera unit, front touchscreen module, and the remaining accessories. Magnetically attach the camera unit to the front touchscreen module, ensuring that it is correctly locked into place. If you want to detach them, press the lock release on both sides. Before activating your Action 2, you first need to download the DJI Mimo. Press the power button to turn on the device, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, scan the QR code to download DJI Mimo. Open the DJI Mimo app, then tap Connect and log in to your DJI account. A prompt will automatically pop up. Tap Connect in the top right of the connection page, enter the device verification code, then tap Accept. A prompt asking you to join the DJI Action 2 Wi-Fi network will pop up. Tap Join. Now your Action 2 is connected with DJI Mimo. The activation prompt will appear next. In the activation page, tap Next and confirm your DJI account, then tap Activate. When there is a notification for a new firmware update shown at the top of the DJI Mimo app, tap Upgrade to enter the upgrade page. You can download the latest firmware in the DJI Mimo app by following the prompts to upgrade. The status LED will blink alternately red and green during the firmware upgrade. Please do not power off the device or exit the app before the upgrade is completed. Press the Power/Record button on the camera unit or front touchscreen module to power on. When on, press to take photos or to start/stop recording. Press and hold to power off. Swipe down from the center to enter the system settings of the camera unit. Screen settings. Tap the icon to switch between full screen and letterbox display. Screen lock. Tap to lock the screen of the camera unit. Swipe up on the touchscreen to unlock the screen. Storage. Tap to switch the storage media, format the built-in storage, format the micro SD card, or export the photos and videos from the built-in storage to the micro SD card. System settings. Tap to enter the system settings where you can control more aspects of the camera unit. Pro switch. Tap to switch to Pro mode and be able to adjust image and audio parameters. Voice control switch. Tap to enable voice control so you can control the camera unit with set voice commands. Orientation lock. Tap to switch between automatic orientation and locked orientation. Brightness. Tap and slide to adjust the brightness. In the camera view of the camera unit's touchscreen, tap the playback icon on the left edge to preview photos and videos. Tap the parameters icon on the right edge to adjust image and audio parameters. The icons on the top of the camera view display the remaining storage capacity and the current battery level. The icons at the bottom display the current shooting mode, parameters, and the zoom ratio. Tap the battery icon at the top to view the current battery level of the camera unit and the front touchscreen module. Swipe left or right from the center of the touchscreen to switch between different shooting modes. The default mode is video mode. Swipe up from the center to set the parameters in the current shooting mode. The front touchscreen module offers an OLED touchscreen for easier selfie composition. It also offers extra battery life and a built-in micro SD card slot. When it is connected to the camera unit with a micro SD card inserted, footage shot on the camera can be stored on the micro SD card. When you insert the micro SD card for the first time, or when the internal storage is insufficient, a prompt for switching to micro SD card storage will appear. When connected, the 3 microphones on the front touchscreen module and the microphone on the camera unit form a 4-mic matrix stereo that delivers crystal clear sound quality for your videos. You can also connect Action 2 with an external microphone via the USB-C port, should you need additional recording requirements. When connected to the camera unit, the power/record button on the front touchscreen module functions the same as the button on the camera unit to power on or off and taking photos and videos. When disconnected from the camera unit, the screen of the front touchscreen module displays the battery level and connection tips when you press the power/record button. When connected to the camera unit while the power is on, the screen of the front touchscreen module is locked by default. Swipe up to unlock the screen. The camera unit screen will be automatically locked. With the magnetic lanyard, you can wear the camera unit on your chest for FPV filming. The magnetic ball joint adapter mount has an adhesive base that can be attached to smooth, flat surfaces and will regain its adhesiveness when washed with water. Remove the adhesive base of the magnetic ball joint adapter mount, and you'll find a 1/4 inch screw hole for mounting extension rods, tripods, and other accessories. With the magnetic adapter mount, you can mount third-party action camera accessories. Connect a USB adapter to the USB-C port via the power cable. During charging when powered off, the status LED on the front touchscreen module turns on. The battery is fully charged when the status LED displays solid green for 6 seconds and turns off.